You are already on social media every single day, scrolling, posting, engaging. But what if I told you that every single click, every visitor, every curious eye that lands on your content can be earning you money without you selling a single product, without you handling customer service, without you even breaking a sweat? The secret is not in creating more content, it's in strategically placing one powerful tool, a smart link from Monetag. That works like a digital matchmaker, connecting your audience to offers they're already interested in, while paying you for the introduction. So today, we are breaking down exactly how you can turn your social media traffic from Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, anywhere at all, into a consistent stream of income using Monetag Smart Link. No website, no problem. No big audience, not an issue. We are starting from where you are right now. So first of all, let's get clear on the tool, a smart link. Monetag calls it a direct link. It's a special URL, but it's not like any normal URL. It's not like normal link that you already know. When someone clicks it, advanced AI algorithms analyze that person's location, device, behavior, and preferences, and instantly redirect them to the most relevant offer. It's like having a salesperson who speaks every language, knows every customer, and instantly present the perfect product. The user sees something relevant, you earn from the engagement. No inventory, no customer support, just smart redirection. Now, there are many networks offering a smart link, but Monetag has been in this game for years. They work with thousands of trusted advertisers globally. That means with competitive CPM rate, you get paid well for your traffic. With global reach, ads work for users from any country, no matter their geographical location. With fast payout, you can withdraw from just $5 every single week. 24/7 support, real people to help you when you need it. This isn't some fly-by-night operation. This is a serious platform that serious publishers, people who monetize traffic for a living, actually trust. So getting started is pretty simple. Head to the link right in the description and sign up. The process is straightforward, but I need to tell you something crucial. When you register, use your real information, accurate name, correct address, and valid payment info. And you might ask why. Because when it's time to withdraw your earnings, Monetag needs to verify that you are who you say you are. If your details don't match, you can run into problems cashing out. So don't let that be you. Once you are in, the dashboard is your command center. The first section is direct link section. This is where you generate your smart link. It's your unique URL. Copy it because that is your money link. Let's move on to statistics. Here, you will see your CPM, earnings, impressions, all the data to help you understand what's working and what's not, and what you need to work on. Now let's move on to payment. This is where you will see your balance and choose your payout method. So you know when next you are cashing out, of course. Now let's move on to referral program. This is the hidden gem. You get a unique referral link. For every publisher who signs up through you, you earn 5% of their revenue forever. This is how you build massive income on top of your traffic income. Now, here's where the magic happens. You have your link. What do you do with it? There are 3 powerful ways. If you have a blog or a website, embed the smart link in a button or test link within a relevant article. For example, an article titled 5 Easy Side Hustles for Students can have a button that says Get Started Now, linked with your smart link. Once the user clicks, they see relevant offers, then you earn. You can paste the link directly in a Facebook post, a tweet, an Instagram story, but, and this is a key, make sure you provide context. Don't just drop a link anyhow. You can say something like, just found a great resource for earning online. You can check it out. Then you drop your smart link. You can create a value-packed post or article, maybe a short guide, a list of tips, a personal story. Inside that post, make sure you include a button or a clear call to action that leads to your smart link. The user gets value first, then they click. This approach builds trust. They came for the value, they click because they are already interested. The smart link then does its work, showing them the relevant offers based on who they are. That's the blueprint. Content plus smart link plus traffic is equals to earnings. You don't need to overcomplicate this. Here's your 3-step action plan to start today. Number 1, sign up at Monetag. Use the link below and use your real details. Number 2, get your smart link. Copy it from your direct link section and use it smartly as I explained earlier on. Number 3, make sure you deploy it. Make sure you drop it in a social media post with context, or create a simple article and add a button. Start with one platform, test, see what works. Social media is not just for entertainment anymore. Every view, every click, every curious visitor is an opportunity. Monetag Smart Link helps you capture that opportunity without selling, without creating a product, without handling logistics. Whether you have 50 followers or 50,000 followers, you can start today. This is the digital economy meeting the everyday hustler. All you need is to take the first step. I want you to drop a comment below. Tell me, which social media platform are you going to start with? And what kind of posts will you use to introduce your smart link? Let's build this together. If you found this valuable, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more practical income strategies, and share this with a friend who is sitting on social media traffic but not yet turning it into income. Start simple, stay consistent, let your traffic work for you. Whatever you do, never stop making money.